Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Polygamist uSomkhanda Gumbi bekaphumile owakhiphile with his wives uBayede uNombuso kanye noZamaduma ke sana. So sikhombile ke uSomkhanda ukuthi he likes them young njengoba uNombuso the second wife she's 10 years younger than him, and uZamaduma yena qha sifuna nje nokuyikhuluma indzaba yakhe asingangeni nje nasemnyakeni wakhe asingakhulumi njengaleyo. So they were out base-restaurant all having fun, ahleli obhutiza with his wives, having the time of his life, and people dragged them kesana after leya video yabo isirculatile, and people were just talking about them lapha kuma social media platforms. But we waze waphapha uzama at the third wife came. So like he recently got married to Uzama. Asibonile nje mshado wabo guys ukuthi abubu trend ngendlela lesimanga, and people were dragging Uzama saying ukuthi yo ayikha umngene kanje lelikhehla lelingaka, and some were even saying ukuthi cause umention indzaba yokuthi uGuy ukhuluma indzaba yemalobolo ukuthi ngifuna kovela ekhayini ngifuna lokulobola after 7 days of knowing her. So people are saying ukuthi girl, it's giving red flag. Nawe wangasabalik vele wahleka girl wajabula indoda ithi ifuna kokulobola in a 7 days of knowing you. Cha iflag nje lebovu leyo. Okay, so after people seeing the video yabo lena, people are saying ukuthi cha waze waphapha uZama. I don't know why people like kudrega uZama angalendlela. Like people are just so mean towards the girl. Uze waqina ugirl athena off ama comment section akhe lapha ku TikTok because wow, the hate that you guys are giving the girl. Cha shame it's on a level. So people are just saying ukuthi waze waphapha ugirl uKladimekwane. Some are even saying ukuthi hayi shame ukuthi ingane nje le. How sindluleke kuzama. Someone came from the first wife. They said ukuthi the first wife makahleli nabo uZama naNombuso kuvele kubonakale ukuthi ngazuthi ngumakwabo nje, uvela abonakale nje ngazuthi ngumakwabo nje ngala usidudla mtsala ekugcini kulabantwana nje, uvela abonakale ngazuthi uhleli anebantu abakhe. Basho kubani? Basho to the first wife uBayede. Sithe kundzaba yaNombuso, it's the second wife. They said ukuthi the second wife ubonakala ngazuthi akekho happy or mhlambe ufila threatened by kufika kwa number 3 uZama. Let's giving siyapretendana la, uyambona nje ukuthi yahleka but akafuni kuhleka, so uhlekisa nje ngokuthi camera seyisebusweni bakhe, and that's why sikade hlekisa, but uyambona shame ngokuthi ugele uyasha. Yabona guys ukuthi mabathi keep your life private basho ini, because like once wathatha nje buso bakho wabeka out there, just know ukuthi people are gonna talk, people are gonna say all sort of nasty things about you lapha ku TikTok, especially TikTok guys. TikTok it's just for the streets. Hence why I always say ukuthi there's too much hatred lapha ku TikTok, whereas ngapha ku Instagram kuyanqonywana nje lapha, kuyacomplimentwana nje lapha, but TikTok but ukudrega ini. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.